Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to set up your Shopify store. So let's just discuss about that. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So it comprises of various stuff. First of all is of course your products. So the products are the key elements of your store. You can see if I simply head over to my store, this is going to be something how it looks. It is related to gaming products and I am currently building up. It is kind of like a dummy setup for now. Let's just go back. So once you add your products, you need to click on add products, and it is quite simple to add. You can add your title, and all of these fields are related to the description and information related to your product. Make sure you enter your products and you can see they will be listed something like this. And then you can change your theme of your store, which is also important. Currently I'm using taste, and using this you can see this is also visible on your cell phone device. You can customize your themes if you want to change it. And let's just say you want to change the name of your store and you want to make it say something else, you can do that. But currently this is for the theme and how everything looks. If you want to change your store, like for example name and title, we are going to be discussing that as well. So you on the top you have your announcement bar that comprises of various things. Like for example, in the announcement bar we have this: subscribe to our emails to get 10% off. Below you can see we have welcome to our store. And yeah, so we will be discussing further on. That is pretty much it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.